is Canan, and today I am finally sharing my 6th makeup look with you guys out of 7 makeup looks that I am creating for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's jump into foundation first, and I'm using the Maybelline, like the Fit Me foundation. Next I'm using the 24-hour concealer from MAC. Next I'm going to set like the concealer right underneath my eyes with the Brighten Up banana powder from Essence, and I'm using this sweet like setting brush from Real Techniques. Next I'm using the City Bronzer from Maybelline. Once we did that, I'm jumping into the Tanya Burr blush, and this is just a gorgeous like rosy like pinkish shade right here. It's got like shimmer in it as well. So what I like doing is just tapping in here with my finger and put this on my cheek. It just gives you this healthy like glow and like alive look. Does that make sense? Next, I'm super excited to jump into the NYX Love Is So Mochi, or is it Mochi? I don't even know palette. And it comes with these gorgeous like 3 shades right here, and I used this like ages ago, and so I'm super excited to use this one again. I'm going for this shade right here, and it just looks like this. Next we are doing eyes, and I'm jumping into the High Tides and Good Vibes palette from Tarte, which is this baby right here. And I'm starting with this, whoa, brownish nudish shade on top. So for my eyelid, I'm using this brown right here. Next I'm using this blue shade right here, and I will just pop that underneath my eyes. Once I'm done with this blue, I'm jumping into this turquoise or like light blue, and what I like to do is just blend that in with that blue I used earlier. Next we're doing mascara, and I'm using the Killer Lashes mascara. Once I'm done with the whole makeup look, I'm using the Filler Instinct, the lip gloss from NYX, and I'm excited about this one. So let's see. Ooh. It feels so good on the lips. Last but not least, I'm going to set all of this using the Dream Satin Mist by Maybelline. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so that you get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.